So I'm Jess. I've been freelancing with VCG for the past couple of years using user-centered design and thinking about how we can rework the whole way in which we do volunteer recruitment. So if I take you all back to 2023, we're running a supported volunteering project with one-to-one mentoring support, where we support people who are really struggling to access volunteering in the community. At best, we can support about 40 people a year through that program. And we saw the demand for that spike after COVID. And we really just wanted to think, could we use digital to help scale this offer that we had? If I think about the stage of digital development that VCG is at, and I would say we've sort of slowly shifted the needle on this a little bit, but we are really at the starting out stage. There's still a lot of nervousness and anxiety around it, but we're curious. We're keen to see what it can do. 3 phases over the 6 months. Roughly, we spent about 2 months in each of these phases: discovery, define, develop. These are 3 fairly standard phases in any kind of user-led design thinking process that you might get involved in. We talk a lot about the double diamond, and that's sort of this idea that we go really, really wide. We sort of diverge and we get as much data as we can, and then we sort of go in and out and in and out. We just take an idea, we just take any idea and we just get started on it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be, the gold standard. We just get going on it. So fast forward September last year, we ran a stock standard recruitment process, and we had 10 people who said that they were keen to volunteer with us. And of those 10 people, not one person put an application form in. So I went back to the team and said, should we try out the skateboard? And so that's where the coffee morning idea came from. So roughly on average, we've now run volunteer recruitment 3 times. And every single time, roughly, we've got about 70% of the people that turn up to our coffee morning are now end up volunteering. I've spent 2 years doing this, and it's not been particularly easy and particularly straightforward. There's been a lot of pushback. Learn to have fun through it. I love this idea of the community of practice. Feedback loops are really, really important. That was the sort of game changer for us. It has to be experiential. Staff had to sort of feel it. It was really only then that the team were like, oh, this is important. This is what we need to be doing moving forward. Yesterday, we went out with the culmination of the 2 years that I've been doing this user-led redesign work. Jump on our website and you can see it there. And I'm on LinkedIn.
Really nice comment from Nicola about liking that the design thinking leads to a non-digital solution. I think there's a really interesting areas of thinking. We don't have to go down a digital route, but using digital as a tool can really help us